6 GB RAM, 128 GB internal memory, and running on Kirin 960 SoC. First to the unboxing, remove the wrapper. You'll see what is there inside. This is the mobile Honor 8 Pro, and we'll keep that and we'll see what is there inside the box. We have the SIM ejector tool, which is and a booklets and VR lenses. We have this cardboard VR given along with this box, cardboard VR and the lenses. We have the adapter here, charger, which is a fast charger, which is the voltage is 5 volts and 2 amps and 9 volts and 2 amps, and the USB Type-C cable. We will boot up the phone and see what it is. Okay, please stop the video.